Welcome to Review Source. When you're dealing with timber floors, precision is everything. One wrong move with a soaking wet mop, and you're looking at warped boards and a ruined finish. Today, we're breaking down the best mops for timber floors, chosen for their moisture control, ease of use, and real-world durability. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Now, let's get started. Bona Hardwood Floor Spray Mop. It's a classic for a reason. This thing is purpose-built for timber. We're getting an integrated spray system that lets you control exactly how much liquid hits the wood, which is crucial for protecting those delicate surfaces. The mop head is massive, so we're cutting down cleaning time significantly. It uses a pH-neutral, fast-drying solution that doesn't leave that annoying cloudy residue. Plus, it's safe for unwaxed or polyurethane finishes. The lightweight design and rubber corners are a nice touch to keep your baseboards from getting beat up. However, it's not all sunshine. While customers love the quick spray-and-go workflow, we've seen consistent feedback about durability. Some users report the mop head snapping off or the sprayer failing entirely after a few months. If you're aggressive with your cleaning, the plastic build might let you down. But if you want a simple, smart, and eco-friendly way to keep your wood floors looking sharp without overcomplicating things, this is a very safe pick. At its budget-friendly price point, it's a reliable everyday tool. O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop. If you prefer the old-school feel of a bucket but hate the mess, this is the one. It features a hands-free wringing system with a foot pedal, which is a game-changer for wood floors. We can spin it until it's barely damp, ensuring we don't oversaturate the timber. The microfiber head uses millions of fine strands to grab dirt, often using just water. The triangular head and 360-degree rotation mean we're actually getting into those awkward corners and under the cabinets. Real-world feedback is mostly glowing, with users saying it cuts mopping time in half and picks up hair like a magnet. That said, it's got some quirks. The handle has a reputation for collapsing if you don't lock it perfectly, and some people find the spin mechanism can be hit and miss over time. It's a bit more setup than a spray mop, but for a deep, controlled clean on a budget, it's hard to beat. It's effective, simple, and the machine-washable heads make it a sustainable choice for the long haul.
Tineco Floor ONE S7. This thing is a beast. We're moving into high-end territory here with a smart wet-dry vacuum that does the thinking for you. It uses eye-loop sensors to detect dirt and automatically adjust the water flow and suction. That's huge for timber, because it ensures we're never putting down more water than the machine can suck back up. It's got a 180-degree lay-flat design to reach under furniture and a self-cleaning system that dries the brush with hot air. Customers are obsessed with the cleaning performance, calling it unbelievable for daily messes. The battery life is solid, usually covering a standard home on a single charge. But it's not perfect. It's a premium investment, and some users have noted a funky odor if the dirty water tank isn't cleaned immediately. There are also reports of it leaving a bit too much moisture behind if you're not careful. Still, if you want the most advanced, automated way to keep your floors pristine without ever touching a bucket, this is the gold standard.
Swiffer Power Mop. This is the king of convenience. It's a lightweight, battery-powered system designed for people who want to clean their floors in 5 minutes and get on with their lives. It uses a specialized quick-dry solution that's specifically formulated for wood, so we're not worried about lingering moisture. The pads are fluffier than the old wet-jet versions, which helps them grab dirt out of the grain rather than just pushing it around. The consensus is that it's incredibly easy to use and leaves a great scent. We love that it dries almost instantly, which is exactly what timber needs. However, keep in mind that the ongoing cost of disposable pads and solution bottles can add up. Some customers also find it a bit streaky if they use too much liquid, and durability can be an issue. Some units have reported failures within the first month. It's not a heavy-duty scrubber, but for quick spills and keeping the house presentable between deep cleans, it's a practical, low-maintenance choice.
Bissell SpinWave Spin Mop. If the idea of scrubbing on your hands and knees sounds like a nightmare, we've got you covered. The SpinWave uses dual rotating pads to do the physical labor for you. It's a corded, powered mop that glides across the floor, tackling sticky spots with ease. We're in control of the moisture via an on-demand spray trigger, which is vital for keeping our timber safe. It's lightweight and has swivel steering, so we're not fighting the machine to get around furniture. Feedback highlights how pliant and easy it is to maneuver, especially for anyone with back or wrist issues. It picks up hair and grime effectively without much effort. On the downside, it is corded, so we're limited by the outlet. Some users have reported that it can spread dirt around if the pads aren't changed frequently during a clean, and there are concerns about the motor's longevity after a year or two of heavy use. Overall, it's a solid middle ground option for anyone who wants a powered scrub without the massive price tag of a smart vacuum. And that wraps up the top 5 best mops for timber floors. If this video helped you pick the right tool for your home, don't forget to like, subscribe to Review Source, and turn on those notifications so you never miss our latest picks. We are always diving into the latest gear to see what actually works and what's just hype. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.